What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing a full 3-inch true dual speed engineering exhaust system on my buddy Landon's 2012 Chevy Camaro. That was a lot to say. This is my buddy Landon, say what's up.
What's up?
Oh yeah, nice shots. This is his 2012 Camaro SS, and over here is the exhaust kit that we're going to be installing. We got it all laid out on the table. This kit is very nice, and it actually came with 2 options for exhaust tips. It came with a single tip option or the double tip or quad tip, and that's what we're gonna go with. So we're gonna have to cut his diffuser out a little bit and do some customization along with the exhaust install. Now his car is actually super loud right now, like really loud right now. Landon actually just got this car not too long ago, a few months back. He's pretty much building it one thing at a time. The reason he wants to change up the exhaust is because everything was pretty much just straight piped, and then they put an H pipe. We're just taking all of the stock straight piped exhaust off and putting all the nice 3-inch big old exhaust piping on there, so it'll sound really good. And we're also changing it up a little bit. His kit came with an X pipe, so it's definitely going to change the sound up. And the kit actually came with these polished stainless steel mufflers, and they're beautiful. So that's also going to change the sound up a little bit rather than what it is right now being straight piped. And actually I'll put a sound clip of what his car actually sounds like right now.
About to start up my clap box.
How should I call it? It's too
motherfucking loud. It sounds like shit.
Yeah. It just doesn't have that real raspy LS sound like we're trying to go for with this thing. So first thing we need to do is get this thing on the lift. We're gonna go ahead and do that, get it up in the air and inspect everything. Have you even put this thing on a lift yet? You have? All right, well, this will be my first time seeing it on the lift.
Is it recording?
You can get like all close to me and shit too.
Like this?
Yeah.
Like that?
Yeah.
What about like this?
Is it? Yeah, it's recording. That'll do. Other side. We got a bunch of water in here. It's storming outside right now. We had to move my car outside to get his in, and I just had to dry it off. It was so... Woo! That shit's hanging low.
Right, yeah.
Holy crap. Dude, wait, hang on. Look at how low this stuff hangs. Hold up. I didn't know it was that bad.
Yeah, dude.
Dude, check this out. Like, you can see a gap of daylight that you can see through the exhaust. Holy crap. Okay, all right. That's quite something. So he's already got long tube headers. This thing is super loud, like ridiculous loud. And we're pretty much just gonna go off of his headers and replace everything from the headers back. That's crazy. Look, I've never seen something like that. It doesn't even have an H pipe. That's why it sounds so clappy. Oh my God.
Straight pipe all the way back.
Okay, yeah, that's why it's... All right, we got some work to do. First thing that we need to do is get the old exhaust out. So we're gonna go ahead and do that, and then we'll go from there. You hold that end. I'm gonna hold the back end of the back end. So this is the exhaust that came out of Landon's car, and my God, that shit is rough. It looks a little better than what I do, but... So we're gonna start on this end and basically just do piece by piece towards the back end of the car. And we're definitely gonna go ahead and tuck the exhaust up in there a whole lot better than it was before, because he kept rubbing on stuff like driveways, even the driveway to the shop and everything. And then like I was talking about before, we're gonna have to probably go ahead and cut this out a little bit more this way to fit those quad tips back here. Little update, we're gonna go ahead and get to work with these pipes.
Mo time, it's mo time.
Hang on, Mama Mo showed up. Uh-oh. Hey, no girls allowed. There's no girls allowed up in the shop.
Well, then get out.
Yeah.
The boys only women haters club.
Yeah. What he said. What, you don't want to say hi? Say hi.
Hi.
Come on.
Not sincere hi.
Yeah, come on, say it like you mean it. Say hello.
Hello.
Hey.
Jeez, I'm doing exhaust and slippers. Digging. You do it. Come on.
That's my butt.
Whatever. All right, small little update. We got all of the midsection ran so far. Not fully tightened up because we're still adjusting everything, and Landon is getting the mufflers out because this is the next thing we're gonna be putting on the car. Check out how great these look. Oh my God, speed engineer, yeah. Be a model for the speed engineering exhaust. We're gonna go ahead and clamp these on and continue.
It won't fit. It doesn't fit. We're gonna have to make a couple of modifications.
All right, guys, there you have it. This is the full speed engineering exhaust true duals with the X pipe. This is by far one of the nicest kits that we've installed on a car. It fit very well and it's very simple. I 100% suggest that you go and get this kit if you have a 5th gen Camaro that you want to spice up the sound. This kit went on with ease. We've got everything tight on it now, and I guess next thing to do is sound check. You want to start this thing up? Oh my God. Let's get this junk exhaust out the way.
Junk, yeah, shit.
Kick it. Kick it.
Stupid idiot.
About to sound way different.
No more clap.
No more clap. Clappity pappity. Pappity clappity. Clappity pop 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 pop. You're good now. Let's hear it. I'm gonna go to the back. Good, this is the first start. Check out them tips, dude. Oh my goodness. Come listen to it. It sounds like my car. Much better. It's more raspy. It sounds a little bit like my car. Oh, the cam chop sounds so good. Go rev it. Go rev it. About to get some revs in. Oh yeah, it's spicy. All right, you can cut it off. I'm crying. Oh, the fuel's getting to me. Damn, boy. All right, well, that sounds good. For any of you that are trying to go the cheaper route and do this without having to get a new rear diffuser or a new bumper, you can literally just go ahead and cut the original single tip diffuser out the same way that I did, and it looks like it came from the factory. It looks amazing. And we actually almost went with the single tip. I'm happy that Landon decided to go with the double tip because that looks absolutely nasty. All right, that's pretty much gonna wrap it up for tonight. Tomorrow, we're gonna go ahead and take the car out of the shop and go in the neighborhood and get some sound clips for you guys. And we'll get a little edit of the exhaust and then we'll wrap it up then. Anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow. And it's tomorrow. First thing we need to do to get Landon's car out is move my big old boat, and we'll get that out the door, and then we'll get Landon's car outside and go get some sound clip. I'm gonna throw the camera on the gimbal. We're gonna go out in the neighborhood and get some shots so you guys can really hear how the speed engineering exhaust sounds on the 5th gen Camaro. lady complaining. She was screaming at me. I didn't even get it all on video. That first road that we were at, they had this lady, she was doing her garden work, and I mean, we literally just like passed one time. He barely got on it. She was like, what the heck? She was throwing her hands up and everything, and I completely forgot to get it all on video, which was very stupid, but whatever. Alright guys, that's pretty much gonna wrap up the installation of the Speed Engineering True Duals on a 5th gen Camaro. Let me know what you guys think in the comments of how it sounds and the difference that it made to Landon's car. If you guys wanna go follow Landon, all of his information will be in the description below, along with mine if you wanna go follow me as well. I hope you guys liked the video, and we will see you in the next one. Say it. We got a lowering video coming up soon, guys. All right, y'all stay tuned for the next video. Hit that motherfucking subscribe button. Motherfucker. Hey now.